Hi all. Morning coffee. Value investing in real estate. Not always a common term, not normally discussed in normal real estate, residential real estate, but there is definitely a place for this. Linking tried and tested value investing strategies for income producing properties is really a wonderful, fantastic way of looking to either building a retirement for your future or longer term wealth creation. This can certainly work in your favor. Value investing is great because it creates stability, growth, it creates yields, and just an all-round plus. However, to get this right, and these investment strategies, one needs to know a few things. Number one is you need to buy right. You need to buy at the right amount. Now, it's not necessarily the lowest amount, it's the right amount, especially if you're looking at an income producing property, because you want to be able to predict your returns. Number two is consider that it does take longer timelines and you need to be more patient. And number three is the tried and tested investing strategies for value investing is really about understanding and looking at your markets and what surrounds your markets and what drives markets and what changes markets. This is a deep dive that you need to be doing to get this right. You need to be understanding markets, population growths, town planning changes. You need to be understanding prices. You need to be understanding growth in areas. All of this, in terms of really understanding the detail, can put you back in the first place to buy right and to buy at the right price. Happy investing.